Calculus for beginners. Understand the basics in 30 minutes. Intro. Calculus is one of those subjects that sounds scary, but today I'm going to make it simple, whether you're a student, self-learner, or just curious. This crash course will introduce you to the basics of calculus step by step in a way you'll actually understand. By the end of this video, you'll know what calculus is, why it matters, and how to solve simple problems. Let's dive in. Section 1. What is calculus? Definition. Calculus is the branch of mathematics that studies change. Two main parts. 1. Differential calculus focuses on rates of change, slopes, derivatives. 2. Integral calculus focuses on accumulation areas under curves, totals. Example, O differential calculus. How fast is a car moving right now? O integral calculus. How far has the car traveled in total? SECTIO into a function's refresher. Quick reminder, a function relates input to output, like y equals fx. Example, y equals 2x plus 3. Show how plugging in values changes the output. Explain, calculus builds on functions by asking how these outputs change as inputs change. Section 3. Limits. Introduce the idea of a limit. What happens as you get closer and closer to a value? Example, as x gives 0, what happens to 1x? Simple real-life analogy, walking toward a wall but never touching it. Key idea of limits. Allow us to define instantaneous change. Section 4. Derivatives. Definition. The derivative measures the rate of change or the slope of a curve at a single point. Notation, a dx or fx. Example, for y equals x squared, slope equals 2x. Work through a simple calculation. O at x equals 2, slope equals 4. O meaning the curve is rising for units up for every one unit across at that point. Real-life example, derivative of distance equals velocity. Section 5. Integrals. Definition. An integral finds the area under a curve or the total accumulation of change. Symbol, integral. Example, if velocity is known, integrate to find distance. Work through a basic example, integral to x dx equals x squared plus c. Explain the constant of integration plus c. Section 6. Why calculus matters. Physics, motion, speed, acceleration. Economics, profit maximization. Medicine, drug dosage rates. Everyday life, predicting trends, engineering, AI and machine learning. Wrap up. Congratulations, you've just unlocked the foundation of calculus. Limits, derivatives, and integrals. Of course, this is just the beginning, but now you have the confidence to go deeper. If you want me to create a full series where we solve problems step by step, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with anyone struggling with calculus. See you in the next one.